Hello, this is Denise Miller with Visual Faith Ministry. Here is my November 2025 flip through my Bible journaling Bible. So we started this month in Psalm 135. And I just wrote out a lot. I wrote out some commentary. My word for the year is steadfast, so I just made sure this is the one that's like every other line, steadfast. So made sure that those were all underlined. The colors, obviously, were all oranges and yellows and reds. This is a page from a packet we had done at Visual Faith a while back, and so I put that in. And then the other things are from either our Bible journaling packet, our ephemera packet, or from our Thanksgiving packet. And then this is from our Around the Word, and I just used washi tape and then cut up some of the verses and mixed them all up, made my nice poem out of it. A lot of this is the ephemera out of our packet. And then we end this month at 142 right here, and then we head into December.